Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my, well, no, let me start from the beginning. I saw a brilliant mini junk journal from a lady called Paula Lemon, a boho style one, and it was stunning. And so I thought, okay, I fancy having a go at that. So this is my version of a boho or Bohemian style journal. I haven't so much gone with gypsies as more, well, I found some pictures of Matahari and I was knocked out by them, so that's more what I've gone for. It's called Bohemian Secrets because Matahari was a World War One spy, very infamously used her body to get World War One secrets. So if we start at the cover, it's 8 3/4 by 6 with a 2-inch spine. I've forgotten to count the pages. I think there are around 170 odd pages. So yeah, gone a little over the top with the decoration. And I've got some crocheted cotton doilies. Now these were gifted to me by a lovely lady called Tina Laity, I think. Hummingbird Designs. So I've used quite a few of those on the front, and there's a little sort of faux pearl. Lots of bling and different sort of bits of colours and layers going on. Lovely lady, a lovely picture of a lady. She's actually Algerian, but it looks so Bohemian that I thought, well, maybe the first one. Don't know, maybe that's where we got it from those cultures. Don't really know much about it, just love the over-the-topness of it. So some beads, very colourful beads at the bottom. There's a bit of bling on the spine, and I've actually put some on the back this time, so a bit of bling. And this is velvet, a cotton velvet this is. And I thought, oh yes, just the right thing. There is a bit of lace to do it as a fastening. I was thinking that with so much going on the cover and inside that perhaps it was just a bit, I wanted something not fussy, and I wanted something that didn't stand up on the front cover. So we have lace inside. So if we go inside, so my interpretation of a Bohemian pattern. Now this is a picture of Matahari, taken I think 1914, 1915 perhaps. Yeah, very extravagant lady. By all accounts, a brilliant liar. So we have a tag. This is fabric, and I've used a multicoloured, well, it's cotton, but it comes multi-dyed, I suppose. A bit more of the danglies on the bottom. There you can see it better. So one reel of cotton, lots of different colours, which I liked. And I've tried to go for bright stuff in this, and normal sort of book pages. Now these are fabric pouches I've made. There are 2 in here. I was going to stick them in, and I thought, oh, perhaps somebody might not want it stuck in. So a little bit of gold trim to keep it fastened. They are empty, and I've sewn them together. Well, as you can see, I've used an embroidery stitch with the same cotton. So I've just clipped them on so that they can be either glued in or used separately, however you want it. I've used 2 kits. This one is Scribe and Painter, bit of music paper, and this one is The Art of Script. I will put links below to them. That's the centre, 7 signatures. And there's, I'm not sure if that's Matahari or just a look-alikey. There's a bit of a dangle going on that, on this paper clip. Just sort of adds to the theme. And this is a flip-out page. So you've got it on the front. If I just pull the book over a bit. So it's like a double page spread of that. I like that pattern. I love peacocks, although it looks probably more Art Deco than Bohemian, but Yeah, still like it. And then, oh yes, it was Matahari, so 2 more pictures of her. So transparency, a bit of printed vellum, a stitch pocket. I was having a play around with these, and I've just made it into a sleeve, and that's a love letter, I think, which I thought fitted into the theme quite well. Oh, now this is where, do you know what, I'll sort that out after. Pages, pages, centre, that's the young lady, and back, 2 Moroccan ladies, but they just look so Bohemian, so perhaps these were the original, where people used to go to Marrakesh and brought it back with them, so I'm assuming that's where it went. That's a velvet pocket with some it's called ribbon trim, but it's a little more than ribbon, I think. It's very thick. That's a tag. I think that's an Artie Mays tag, that one. Now these, I was having a play around, well, I was having a look on Pinterest actually, and I've had perfect pearls sat in my cupboard for about 3 years. Didn't quite know what to do with them. I saw this tutorial for a lady, she just added water and painted with them. So I've used some watercolour paper and I have literally painted. If I lift, I'm not sure, the light's going a bit, there we go. So it gives a really nice metallic finish. I've heat embossed it with some glitter and then fussy cut some butterflies. They do stick up, but the book is a little heavy and it flattens them down. Bit of washi tape on it. It's a nice size. Another dangle. Envelope is empty. Poem. This is a book about sayings and who said it and when they said it. And the centre. Bit of a chunk, this book. And the back half of the paper bag. Another picture of Matahari. Now she looks like she could be a proper little madam, doesn't she? This young lady here. Bit more lace. Oh, sorry. The printed vellum. Drop that in. That's a poem I printed out. I have, the back of it is dark. Right, let's see if I can actually get one to go back in, just to prove I do know what I'm doing. There we are. Put that one in there. And some more bright and colourful. And the centre. I found this picture and I couldn't work out if she was saying get lost, I don't want my picture taken, or if she was an actress, or if she was just so fed up with the day that she decided to down tools and not pose. I don't know, either way it's a cracking picture. And back of the printed page. This lady, Lily Elsie, this lady, and stunning. Absolutely stunning. The velvet pockets, big tag. Poetry, book pages. That's the second of the little fabric pockets or purses, envelopes, I'm not sure. Either way, they're in there. Some more of my attempts at watercolour with perfect pearls. Not perfect pearls, the powders. Although I have seen people paint with perfect pearls, well, I can't see the point in that. I did an ATC swap, and this was one of the images I came up with, and the colours just went really well with that. That's heat embossed again, that one. It was just young girl, roller skates, and I put some wings on her, and yeah, it just makes me laugh. Flying through the pages. Matahari again. Some more young ladies. Oh, printed vellum. I've used one of my seals on this one actually, which is probably why. No. It is an invoice in that, so I won't open it, otherwise I will be here forever putting it back on. Some more of the sayings. Butterflies. Butterflies always seem so bohemian, don't they? So colourful and just go off and do their own thing. And another picture. I haven't glued these in, I've clipped them in so that whoever has this can glue them in to make their own pockets, tuck spots, or even just put your own ephemera or whatever notes that you're doing at the back of the picture. I go all gung-ho with sewing and putting in tuck spots and stuff, and then in my own journals, and then find them in the wrong place. That's another tag. That one is definitely an Artie Maze tag, that one is. Another fabric pocket with a bit more bling. Another envelope with another little dangly on it. Poetry, that's Edith Holden. Centre. And the last picture. And the last of another flip out page. This one is, I've used the same design on the front, but with a different background. So if I fold it out, you can see nice big double spread. And then obviously plain on the inside. And the last bit, the last page, this young lady that's on the front cover and the back cover. So there we have it. My version, let's bring it back in, my version of a Bohemian style journal. Personally, I think it's just a wonderful excuse to go mad with bits of bling. Either way, it's worked out really, really well. Thoroughly enjoyed doing this. I will be listing it, so I will put links below the video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care and speak to you all soon. Bye.